Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your app development with Udacity, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Udacity website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the courses section on the homepage. In the search bar, type app development to find relevant courses. Select an app development course that aligns with your goals. Review the course details, including the curriculum and prerequisites. Once you find a suitable course, click on the Enroll button. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment. Access the course materials through your dashboard. Begin by reviewing the introductory videos and reading materials. Take notes on key concepts and terms introduced. Engage with the interactive quizzes to test your understanding. Set a study schedule to ensure consistent progress throughout the course. Utilize Udacity's forums to ask questions and connect with other learners. Reach out to your mentor for personalized guidance. Work on the hands-on projects provided within the course. Submit your projects for feedback and incorporate suggested improvements. Explore additional resources recommended in the course, such as articles and documentation. After completing the course, update your resume with new skills learned. Build a portfolio showcasing the projects you completed during the course. Join app development communities online to stay updated with trends. Consider advanced courses to deepen your app development expertise. Reflect on your learning journey and set new goals for your future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.